In this video, I'm going to show you how to refer a friend to YouTube TV and potentially earn rewards for sharing the service with others. Let's get started. YouTube TV offers a referral program that allows current subscribers to share their subscription with friends and family while earning credits or other perks. To refer a friend, start by signing into your YouTube TV account on the website or app. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, navigate to the Referrals section. Here you'll find your unique referral link, which you can share with friends via email, text, or social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or WhatsApp. Simply copy the link and send it directly to your contacts, or use the built-in sharing options if available. When your friend clicks the link, they'll be directed to a page where they can sign up for YouTube TV. If they subscribe using your referral link, both you and your friend may receive rewards, such as a free month of service or account credits, depending on the current promotion. Be sure to check the terms and conditions of the referral program to understand eligibility requirements and reward details. It's important to note that referral programs may not always be active. So if you don't see the referrals option in your settings, the program might be temporarily unavailable. In that case, keep an eye on announcements from YouTube TV or check back later for updates. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on making the most of your streaming services. Thanks for watching, and I hope referring a friend to YouTube TV helps you and your friends enjoy the service even more. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.